The USA is one of the countries with the best warplanes in the world. In today's video, we are going to examine the top 10 fighters of USA origin. Number 10. Northrop F-5 Tiger. The Northrop F-5 Tiger is a jet trainer used to bring Navy pilots up to speed. First flown in 1959, the F-5 Tiger entered service during the Vietnam War. The Northrop F-5 Tiger, which can carry one crew, is 14.45 meters long, weighs 4.3 tons, and has a top speed of 1,700 kilometers per hour. It is 4.08 meters high and has a wingspan of 8.13 meters. It is effective in a radius of 1,400 kilometers. If sold, the current price is $25 million. Number 9. T-45 Goshawk. The T-45 Goshawk was launched by McDonnell Douglas in 1991, but production was later taken over by Boeing. The T-45 Goshawk, which can carry a crew of 2, is 12 meters long, weighs 4.2 tons, and has a top speed of 997 kilometers per hour. It has a height of 4.27 meters and a wingspan of 9.39 meters. If sold, the current price is $22 million. Although this fighter aircraft has reached the end of its service life, it is still in active service as a training aircraft. Number 8. Grumman F-14 Tomcat. Built by Grumman in 1970, the F-14 Tomcat is a twin-engine, two-seat variable wing fighter capable of supersonic speeds. The Grumman F-14 Tomcat, which can carry a crew of 2, is 19 meters long. Weighs 18.2 tons and has a top speed of 2,485 kilometers per hour. It has a height of 4.8 meters and a wingspan of 20 meters. It is effective in a radius of 525 kilometers. If sold, the current price is $50 million. Number 7. Boeing FA-18EF Super Hornet. Super Hornet is a carrier-based fighter aircraft that entered service and is a considerably larger variant of the McDonnell Douglas FA-18 Hornet. The FA-18 Super Hornet, which can carry a crew of 1, is 18 meters long, is 13.8 tons, and has a top speed of 1915 kilometers per hour. It is 4.9 meters high and has a wingspan of 13.6 meters. It is effective in a radius of 1095 kilometers. If sold, the current price is $66.9 million. Number 6. McDonnell Douglas FA-18 Hornet. The F-18 Hornet was first produced by McDonnell Douglas in the mid-1970s, but Boeing took over production in the mid-1990s. It played a key role in the Gulf and Iraq wars. The F-18 Hornet, which can carry a crew of 2, is 17 meters long, weighs 10.4 tons, and has a top speed of 1915 kilometers per hour. It has a height of 4.6 meters and a wingspan of 12.3 meters. It is effective in a radius of 722 kilometers. It is estimated that its current value, if sold, would be $57 million. Number 5. F-35A Lightning II. The F-35A Lightning is the U.S. Air Force's latest fifth-generation fighter aircraft, built by Lockheed Martin Aviation in 2006. The aircraft, which can carry 1 crew, is 15.7 meters long, weighs 13.2 tons, and has a top speed of 1960 kilometers per hour. It has a height of 4.4 meters and a wingspan of 10.7 meters. It is effective in a radius of 1093 kilometers. If sold, the current price is $115 million. Number 4. F-22 Raptor. This is a twin-engine, all-weather tactical fighter produced by Lockheed Martin in 1997. It has low visibility and can be hidden from other jets. This aircraft, which can carry 1 crew, is 19 meters long, weighs 19.7 tons, and has a top speed of 2414 kilometers per hour. It also has a height of 5.1 meters and a wingspan of 13.6 meters. It is effective in a radius of 756 kilometers. If sold, the current price is $139 million. Number 3. F-16 Fighting Falcon. One of the oldest single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft, it was planned for production by General Dynamics Corporation in 1974 and approved by the USAF in 1976. This one-person crewed aircraft is 14.8 meters long, weighs 9 tons, and has a top speed of 2414 kilometers per hour. It has a height of 4.8 meters and a wingspan of 9.8 meters. It is effective in a radius of 550 kilometers. If sold, the current price is $12 to $35 million. Number 2. F-15E Strike Eagle. Produced by McDonnell Douglas in 1985 and then taken over by Boeing in 1997, this is a strike fighter that can operate in all visibility and weather conditions. The F-15E Strike Eagle was first introduced to the military by the USAF in 1989. The aircraft, which can carry a crew of 2, is 19 meters long, weighs 14.3 tonnes, and has a top speed of 3,017 kilometers per hour. It has a height of 5.6 meters and a wingspan of 13 meters. It is effective in an area with a radius of 1,271 kilometers. If sold, the current price is $138 million. Number 1. F-15 Eagle. Put into production by McDonnell Douglas in 1969, the F-15 Eagle was selected by the USAF and made its first flight in 1972. This single-crew aircraft is 19.4 meters long, weighs 12 tons, and has a top speed of 26.55 kilometers per hour. It has a height of 5.6 meters and a wingspan of 13 meters. It is effective in an area with a radius of 1967 kilometers. If sold, the current price is $93 million. We have come to the end of our video. If you like military videos with such war technologies, do not forget to subscribe. See you.